Crafters, it's Cynthia. Today I am sharing my design team haul with you, and these are the new products for May 2018. And the first item I have here are the stitched fishtail banner dies. And these dies are a really wonderful item to have in your craft supplies. They are perfect for adding simple sentiments to your card after you're all done. You can pop them up, you can have them flat on the surface, whatever you would like. So as you can see, you get 4 really nice sizes here. It starts out smaller and thinner, and then they get longer and wider, and then finally there's that very longest strip. So I've went ahead and cut out these 4 banners for you to see, and I just reached into my stamp stash and found some sentiment strips that fit all of these perfectly. So pretty much if you have even just 4 or 5 different stamp sets, you're bound to have sentiments that will easily fit these. So this is a wonderful thing to have in your craft room, and I highly recommend it. So the next item that I have here are the stitched flag dies. And these are, again, a really wonderful set. And you're going to get multiple different shapes and sizes here. You've got the longer, thinner ones, the shorter, wider ones, and then these 2 littler ones here on the end. And I have gone ahead and cut these out as well. And you can see that you get that wonderful stitched edging all around the outside of each one. But then you also get this little stitched line here. And the fun thing is, if you want, you can just tape it down at the very top, and then you can have a little hinge. So basically it's going to give you some dimension on your card front. So if you don't want to tape it down flat to your project, you can choose to have them loose like that. So that's just a fun little detail. And the final item here are the Dad's Tools stamp set. And this is a wonderful stamp set. It's really large, as you can see. And you have all the pieces here to make a hammer. And there's the handle for your screwdriver. There's the screwdriver head. There's some screws here and some little nails. And this stamp set is one of those layering stamp sets that are meant to be used with multiple shades of color, so they get some nice depth. So that is the base layer for the hammerhead, excuse me. The second layer, the third layer there, and then the final 4th layer. There's the handle, the solid piece is first, then there's the second layer, the third layer, the 4th layer, and again with the handle for the screwdriver, there's the base, there's the second layer, third layer, 4th layer, and then you get the head to the screwdriver and some screws and a little nail. So I have done some sample stamping, so you can see that that hammer handle is really nice, and you get a beautiful wood-grained depth to it. And there's the screwdriver handle. And the hammer head has been stamped in all 4 layers of color. And then that screwdriver head, I believe that one has 3 steps. Yes, it does. And then the screw has 4 steps, and that little nail there has 3 steps. So if you want to, you can just stamp the solid layer and not worry about any of the other layering. So if you don't feel comfortable or you don't have enough ink colors, don't worry about it. You can just use the solid. Now there's also sentiments here, and some of them are pretty cute. So I will read them to you. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. Thanks for always building me up. Sorry I was such a tool. Thanks for your helping hand. Happy Father's Day. Screw it. Happy birthday. And then there's a grandpa and a dad, and Mr. Fix-It, and let's get hammered, and you nailed it. So those are some really nice sentiments there, and you can definitely use them for masculine cards, certainly, but you know, a lot of those sentiments and even the images are pretty universal. You could put them really wherever that you wanted. You don't have to just use them for men's cards, but it's nice to have. So that is it for the 3 newest products for May 2018. And They are currently available in the Cat Scrappiness shop, so I will include a link to her website down below if you'd like to do some shopping. And please keep your eyes open for some projects coming this month featuring all of these products. And be sure to also check out the Cat Scrappiness blog, and then you'll get to see what all the design team members are doing. So I hope that you're having fun crafting wherever you are, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.